Welcome to another fun math adventure. Today we are going to explore something you see everywhere, fractions. But wait, not all fractions are the same. There are proper fractions, improper fractions, and something called mixed numbers. So let's get started and make fractions fun and easy. Here is our first type of fraction, proper fractions. Look at all these fractions I've written for you. Each of these has a smaller numerator and a greater denominator. Look carefully. Let's go through an example. Here is a chocolate bar with 8 equal parts. In situation 1, I am shading 4 parts out of 8, which represents the eaten fractions, which is 4 by 8. Here in situation 2, I am shading some more parts. So, 6 parts are shaded now, which represents the eaten fraction as 6 by 8. Here, in situation 3 now, all the parts have been shaded or shown eaten, that is 8 by 8 or 1 whole. We can see here that the first two situations show proper fractions and the last situation shows a whole. We are on type 2 of the fractions, which are called improper fractions. Now look at these fractions carefully. Did you notice something? Each one of these fractions has a greater numerator but a smaller denominator. These are called improper fractions. Let's go through one more example here. We have 2 donuts this time. Both of them have been divided equally in 4 parts. I have shaded all 4 parts in the first one and 3 parts in the second one. It represents 4/4 and 1/4 or 1 whole and 1/4. So what fraction represents the total eaten parts? That's 5 by 4. 5 by 4 eaten parts of donuts. We can easily convert these improper fractions into something called mixed fractions. Here I have 4 by 3. Let's convert it into a mixed fraction. We need to perform division for this. But remember, the numerator is always the dividend and denominator is always the divisor while dividing. Let's divide now. Here I have performed the division and now we'll represent this in the form of quotient, remainder and divisor. That's Q R by D. Here in this case, our quotient is 1, which becomes the whole number. Remainder is 1 as well, which becomes the numerator. And the divisor is 3, which becomes the denominator. This is how we write it. It is so easy. Let's try one more. 7 by 4 this time needs to get converted as a mixed fraction. Before dividing, remember, the numerator 7 is our dividend and the denominator 4 is the divisor. Let's divide now. We'll represent this in the form of Q, which is 1, R, which is 3, and D, which is 4. We have got our mixed fraction. But what are mixed fractions actually? Mixed fractions are always a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Here's a quick example. We have 2 pizzas here. Out of these 2 pizzas, which are divided equally in 4 parts, first pizza has been eaten completely. And from the second one, 3 parts have been eaten, which is shown as 4/4 or 1 whole and 3/4. So this is represented either as an improper fraction 7 by 4 or as a mixed fraction, which is 1 wholes and 3 by 4. But why are these improper fractions converted as mixed fractions? Because they are exceeding a whole. Alright, it's your turn now. Convert 10 by 4 into a mixed fraction. You can pause the video and do your calculations. Here's the answer for you. Let me know in the comments below who all got it right. Can we convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction too? Yes, of course. It's even more easier. Here we have 2 4 by 5. Multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the numerator to the product. That's 5 times 2 plus 4, which is 14. And the denominator remains the same. Let's try it with one more example now. Here I have 1 wholes and 2 by 3. So 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5 and the denominator remains the same, which is 3. Alright, your turn again one last time. This time convert 3 wholes and 2 by 8 to an improper fraction. You can pause the video and do your calculation. Here is the answer for you. That's 26 by 8. Do let me know in the comments if you got it right or wrong. Alright maths learners, it's the end of the video. Let's wrap it now. What did we learn today? We learned about the types of fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. We also learned the conversion between improper and mixed fractions. Do not forget to download your free practice worksheet from description box below. And I'll come up with an interesting topic next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.